station.
Yeah.
You know. And that's Montreal.
So you can tell that Canada does not have a population.
Well, we were definitely in Quebec. We were definitely in places where English was not spoken.
Oh, I thought that because of all the tourists.
So there were some small towns, small places we went in for lunch that they probably could have, but it was definitely French.
I don't think there's more.
It is a French province.
It's a French province.
From centuries and centuries.
We went around the wall. I can still see us eating Chateaubriand at the Frontenac. We stayed at the Frontenac. The outside of the restaurant.
They got what? It's Halloween.
In the pumpkin. Restaurant. Then you're on a walk or something. It's around. It's beautiful. You're looking at it.
Oh yes, where the pumpkin starts, foaming. What do you guys do to that thing?
The St. Lawrence River is absolutely.
You can see why they thought it was the sea.
Yeah, and it was.
So we were just in Brazil 2 months ago, and the river in Manaus was 6 miles long.
Wow.
You know, the Amazon river, and I riverboat in Brazil. Really?
All that.
We saw whales, St. Lawrence.
Well, you're a nature lover.
Went to the Gannet colony out off of Gaspé there.
That was beautiful. Did you have a chance to go to New Zealand?